together. Apple. This is a banana. O, B, banana. Banana is yellow and soft. Banana gives us energy. Say it again. Banana. This is a mango. G-M-M. Mango. Mango is sweet and juicy. Mango is the king of fruits. This is an orange. Orange. Orange is round and juicy. Oranges keep us healthy. These are grapes. G. Grapes are small and round. They grow in bunches. This is a watermelon. Watermelon. Green outside, red inside. Watermelon is full of water. This is a pineapple. Pineapple. It has a hard skin, sweet inside. This is a strawberry. Strawberry. Red and sweet. Yummy fruit. This is a kiwi. Kiwi. Brown outside, green inside. Very healthy fruit. This is a papaya. P.